because the fact the mall is really closed, I'm gonna do this like this. This footage is going to be only of the main elevators and only of these elevators in the mall, and the rest of the footage will come out in next days because this elevator isn't working now and the other elevator over there isn't working now and only this one works. And this one is not the elevator I want to view it. I mean, filming it. Because few things. One, you can't turn off the fan because the buttons are screwed. Two is this fan is really loud. But honestly, I'm gonna tell this elevator is pretty okay. This one specifically is pretty okay. Make cab view. The cab looks okay. I mean, it has some problems, but not big ones. But it's looking pretty fine, I guess. This one rides pretty smooth, honestly. This door is for floors 3 and 4. That's it. Looks like someone is going to activate the other elevator. Yep, this elevator is active now. And yeah. If this elevator is active, we're in a sticky situation right here. Because this one is functioning pretty fine. The other one is a question to ask. So let's send this one down. Yeah, let's send this one down and wait for the other one. If it's gonna get over here. Let's see. Yep, it's coming. I can't believe it. Actually, you done that. However, it's gonna take a little time because probably someone is on the elevator. One of the security guards, I guess. So I'm gonna pause. Good, this one is coming. I've gone down to H5 to see what the hell is with this elevator, which is the worst from both of these. So let's see now how this one behaves. Still trash, but I don't think it's bad how it used to be. Let's see, honestly, just one more ride. Doors are pretty fine, honestly. Oh wow. Trash. Wow. This is still bad. This is still very bad. Should we go one more ride down? Oh, fucking shit, just re-leveled. Damn, that was awful. I mean, it just re-leveled all over the floor. Whatever. Let's go down to H4 and we're done. We'll end, I guess. Or, you know what? Should we go on to A6 again, to the floor 6? Let's get the floor 6. And let's see how it does from this floor, which is floor 1 in general. I mean, this is floor 1, and this is floor 2. It is still awful. It is still an awful elevator. Well, this one is actually pretty good. This one is awful still. That's it.